High-speed charging taken literally. With high-power charging from Phoenix Contact, the charging time of your electric vehicle is reduced significantly. For a 100-kilometer range, you only need 3 to 5 minutes. And that at full compatibility with the established combined charging system. The charging current 500 amperes is made possible by a thoroughly conceived cooling and monitoring system. The contact carrier in the charging connector features excellent thermal conductivity and thus also serves as a heat sink. The environmentally friendly coolant efficiently dissipates the heat via integrated cooling ducts. Sensors at every power contact make precise temperature monitoring possible for an optimal and safe high-speed charging. The housing even withstands especially strong loads. If it should be damaged anyway, simply replace the frame of the mating face and the power contacts without draining the coolant.